Hi team. Today we are going to look at architecting detection at scale. Let's take an example. If you are going to do detection tracking of items in the retail shelves, how we are going to detect, count the number of items, and track what are the empty shelves. So the challenges would be there are vast set of products and there are different shapes, sizes, light, occlusion. Many things would play a role. um, for an implementation, let's consider we'll use edge devices, and the angle of straight sight would be will be keeping them focused straight towards the shelf. And again, the key thing is we may not be able to detect every item in the shelf, but what we could do, what are all the design decisions that we could take in terms of building an optimal model and a model that works best. That is the uh, design decisions that we are going to discuss about. Yep. So how the items are laid out, you have a planogram, and planogram is something which the merchandiser work where to keep what items. So we know effectively when you place a camera, what aisle it's going to look at it, and what products are going to be placed out there. So we could build models according to the location and where you are going to place it. The advantage of this is we are going to build category specific models here, and we can also leverage the planogram to understand what type of products are going to be built and what category specific models that we need to run in this. And yes, there will be edge as well as server based operations. We could look at what we can do on edge and what we can do on the server. What are the key things in implementation? A detection of the shelf, extracting the different products or the regions in the shelf, identifying the products. It could be a custom object detection, or you could do segmentation, or we could leverage OCR by reading the text and then deduce the product. And some more preliminary OpenCV techniques like shapes, colors, template matching, they also could be leveraged. Yep. So the overall solution, it might include vision models plus hosting them as APIs, and then deploying them as cave serving or any Dockerized API, so that like the edge uh, encodes the image and then it posts them to the server. But then like what we could do on the edge, and yeah, I mean obviously what models you run has to be lightweight so that it can run faster. And again, we don't need to send every frame. We could have some image processing techniques to identify if there is a significant change. Only then we could upload it to the server. And then from the endpoint perspective, what is the location of the aisle, and what is the timestamp, and what is the encoded image, we could send these things. And the minimal operations what I refer in the edge is avoiding duplicating sending images repetitively and finding if there is a significant variation or in time bound manner. And at the server level, at the API level, you track the location, time, and the image, and then look at the detections and then save it. And finally, you could have a reporting which can put the trend in terms of the product and what was there at what point in time and what need to be restocked. So this is another alternate approach in terms of what is that we could do with RFID, what is that alternative we could achieve with vision. Some of the reads in terms of research papers which we have already blogged, we could also look through. I mean, in terms of last year NRF, whatever ideas we look at it, there are already some implementation which you could see a scan and go. Even some of the product, what Walmart had them in terms of scanning the product in the shelf auto detection. This just like, I mean, what could be the thoughts that have gone in? I mean, we are just trying to analyze and figure out what would be the possible options. And in terms of research or what are the reads, I mean, we do have a collection of papers. Like, I mean, these are some of the papers what we have looked through in terms of you identify the area and then you find apply the model and find the region and then detect the product. So collection of papers and what are the different techniques used, that also we could refer back and look in terms of detailed implementation. And the different data sets what you can look at it, that also you can have a analysis of it. And finally, one startup Vsense.ai. I could. This was a very good session by the founder where he gives a similar perspective and a lot of detailed implementation of the product and how they have enabled edge plus cloud in terms of product tracking, people tracking, uh, solving use cases with vision. I hope this short tutorial gives you a perspective of how we can do a large scale detection and what are the ideas we could leverage and different papers which we could verify. We'll keep improving on it, but I hope this short session was useful. Thank you.